What is up, guys? Adam C here for Hidden Jackpots. I'm blinded by the light. I think I could have picked a better spot to park. Can you guys see me? Anyway, I'm here for a food review. I am at El Pinche Taco Taco Trailer. We're going to try it. I can't see anything. Let's go get some food. See if I can figure out this lighting situation. Alright guys, it's a tailgate review at the end of December. I got my food here. I got the Gringa. I'm going to open this up and check it out. I don't know what I was thinking getting Mexican with my brand new sweater, but let's take a look at this food. I'm pretty excited to open this up. It is steaming. I got the Gringa. You wondering what the Gringa is? So am I. Let's check it out. Alright. The sun has gone away. Let's open this sucker and see what we got. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. I don't even know how I'm going to eat this. Let's dig in. All right, I think I need to roll up these sleeves for this one. This could get a little messy. Let's squeeze some lime here. Got cheese on there. Oh, that looks delicious. All right, let's turn this camera back around. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without getting oh, we got some sauce here. Not sure what it is. Gonna open it. Let's try that. Ooh, that is spicy. I'm not sure what this is either. We'll try this one. I don't know what. Oh. She did say it was going to be spicy. That is spicy. So this is a quesadilla. It's called the Gringa. I will let you hear what is in it. I don't know if I can even eat this with a hand. You know what? Need a napkin. Need a napkin and a knife and fork for this sucker. Luckily, she gave me a knife and fork, and there's a napkin in there. This is definitely a knife and fork meal. So the Gringa is pastor meat, which is pork. There's pineapple in here. Oh, you see that falling apart on me? Whose idea was it to have Mexican? Mine. That is delicious. This is not to be eaten with your hands. And apparently the sun is gone. But this is freaking good. Holy moly. Moly. Get it? Moly? Mole. 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 I'm getting stuff all over the back of my car. That pastor meat, tender. That sauce is hot. This, oh, whoa, this was quick. The Gringa is one of their top sellers here. I can see why. I'm not even really a fan of cilantro, but you need cilantro on this. You need cilantro. Let's take a look at this pork. The pineapple is just adds that just That little bit you need. Look at that. You guys want some? Some pork? Delicious. Cheese. I think there's some feta on here. Mmm. Next time I will get tacos.
Give me 2 tacos, 1 soft shell, 1 hard, please.
So you guys can actually see me eat. People driving by looking at me weird. Why? Because I'm eating out of the back of my car? It's December 28th and it's warm enough to eat out of the back of the car. That is amazing. This is a 12-inch tortilla that they use. Lettuce, tomato, cilantro, pastor. Real Mexican. Real spicy. Is there going to be any left? I don't know. I've never tried this place before. Will I be back? Is this a hidden jackpot? Yes, it is. It's on Drummond Road in Niagara Falls, up by five corners. It is set back from the road, so you really got to look for it. I'll put a little map here. Keep an eye. You got to turn quick to get in here. There's also a little Mexican shop where they sell like some groceries and stuff. Cool. Cool. So good. They're on Instagram. Let me get the card out for you guys. You guys gotta see this. More napkins. Because you eat Mexican, you never have enough napkins. There it is. And they have a loyalty program. You fill up your stamps, come back. What do you get? 1 order of tacos. I can see this filling up pretty quick. Because the pineapple in this, the pineapple in the pork just really makes it. It's so good. You know how much mess I made in the back of my car? Quite a bit. Quite a bit. So, I'm going to finish this. Definitely going to finish this. I will let you guys go. That's it from El Pinche Taco. Hope I'm saying that right. Come check them out. Hidden jackpot? You're damn right. So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you get notified whenever I do food reviews, hotel reviews, and whatnot. I will see you in the next episode. I'm Adam C. Ciao.